this plant can be grown from cuttings also. That is mainly it grows from cuttings only. And already some shape we have given now. This is a nursery grown plant. Anytime if you want to make an instant bonsai, the best is nursery grown plant. First we'll cut and first we'll give a shape to the plant, then slowly we'll shift into a bonsai part. How to shape the Portulacarpa jade plant will show you. It needs coarse soil. Coarse soil means it needs some sand or brick pieces or pumice stones like that. It needs more drainage material. Already the plant is having water, so it doesn't need more water. Alternate watering system is enough for this plant, and it needs more air holes in the soil. It needs more oxygen and more aeration to the plant. So that's why you can put some sand, a sand of not a fine sand, it is a coarse sand of 0.5 mm soil sand, and otherwise you can use some small brick pieces also. That is the best soil for the plant. This is a primary branch, but this primary branch gone into the soil and became a second one. They are merged together. We can separate them or we can use it as a primary branch also. We'll bend it down. And here I am not using much wire here, just only simple wiring. I will show you now how to do wiring without wiring a branch. I am reducing the branches now. Always you have to cut above the nodes so we can activate the growth from backwards. This is too long on the back rear side, so you have to cut it. This is one of the down branch now. Here, if you take it as a two branches on the same trunk line, so it is better to remove. See here now, one on the same line. Actually the image of the bonsai, when you are making for a first type branches bonsai, you have to select the branches, alternate branches, right, left, right on the back side. That is the system. 1, 2, right, left, back and the right. So if you develop like that, it gives a nice look to the mature look to the plant. This is the, we are selecting as a, this one as a front side. We will uplift the plant like this and we will keep this branch. Here now when you are making it as a front side, two parallel branches are there. This is one branch and this is the one branch. So when they are going like this, when they are growing like this, so only on one branch the sunlight is falling on the one branch, and here you can see also, here we are seeing many branches on many new branches are there on this branch side. Here you don't see any new branches because the sunlight is not falling here. Actually the sunlight is falling on the upside branch only. So here that's why you can see more smaller branches. New compact growth is there. Here it doesn't have. It is going long and long in search of the sunlight. So that is, it's not proper to keep two parallel branches. You have to remove one branch here now. I am trying to separate this plant. Now you can see now. You can bend these branch like this and like that. This side here and now. We'll reduce the length of this branch because it is too long. We'll cut it down. You have to cut above the node always. This is the node. This is above the node. You have to cut it. And I'm keeping one leaf and cutting above the second leaf. Here I am cutting down. It is too long, that's why I reduced the size. Here also. This is going back and hanging. Always the tendency of the succulent plant of this jade is, if it is not getting proper sunlight or something, a shady place is there, so they go long, lanky branches will be there. Also here now 1 2 3 branches are there. I am removing middle one. Reducing the height, cutting up to first leaf. and it is too long. This is also too long. This is one, this is one. We are going on the red side. We are reducing up to first leaf. First leaf. Actually, when you are going on a clip and grow method, we'll go up to second leaf. We'll keep 2 leaves over there. We'll cut like this. 2 leaves will 2 parallel leaves are there, and the growing nature of this plant is to always they will be at a node 2 leaves will be there, 2 parallel leaves will be there. When you are going doing clip and grow method, you have to cut down up to 2. But I am cutting up to 1 because it is a succulent, it can take the pressure. That's why a lot of water is there that helps to grow back branches more healthily. That's why I am cutting up to first leaf. Here, reducing the size up to first leaf. On the back, and 1, 2, 3. Here this one will keep it. Reduce the size. This plant grows from cuttings also. That is the beauty of this plant. This can be made into a cascade style. It can be made into a umbrella style, or you can make it into a broom style. You can make it into formal upright style, informal upright style. You can make a forest of this jade also. So that jade plant is very good plant. First, for the beginners, jade is a good plant for making into a bonsai. It can there won't be any dieback system. Only if the water is more, if you are not taking care of the proper drainage, the plant can die. Otherwise, the plant won't die back. System is not there if you use proper drainage material for the plant. Now, we'll reduce the height of this plant. We don't need this much height according this trunk line. We are remove this is on the main trunk line. That's we are remove these 2. This is also not needed. It is a bushy plant. It grows up to 2 meters like that, and it can be kept in sunlight. Sometimes it can grow in a semi-shade place also. but if it is growing in a sunlight, then it gives a nice growth. There will be more finer branches will be there on the plant. It gives a nice look to the plant. And this is the final shape of the plant now. Then slowly it will turn like this. This one I have to keep it up like this. This one will bend it down now. I would like to wire this branch and show how to wire this one. When you are wiring this branch, you have to give support of this main trunk line. So first you have to start from the down. Give a grip to the here, then go up. Like this. You have to bend the wire slowly. After 3 months or 2 months or 3 months, depending on the growth of this plant, branch, you have to take out the wire. When you are doing wiring, you know how to select a for the beginners, they will be in a doubt which wire we have to use and which one, which gauge is useful and how to take out that one. So first one we can use copper anodized wire or aluminum wire. You can use aluminum wire also. When you are using aluminum wire, it should bend like this. There will be a smooth curve. It should not be in a 90 degrees angle. It should be a smooth curve when you are bending the wire. It should be along the trunk line. It should go in a smooth way. That is the main thing. Then the gauge of the wire, which thickness we have to select a wire. If you are taking the wire like, when you are putting like this, if the wire is bending, this is not proper for this plant. Then we'll put two wires together. We'll see. This is also not proper. So this branch is little bit thick more wire. So this, see here, this is 0.2 mm wire. See here, this wire is not bending now. So this is better to wire with a, you have to test like this, put the wire over there, and if the wire is not bending, that is the proper gauge for bending this, wiring this branch or any trunk line. Select like that and start wiring from by giving a grip to the branch where you are, which branch you want to wire it. First give a grip to with the main trunk line or main branch. If you are giving you are doing wiring here, you have to give grip from the backwards. Like that, take some grip and start wiring. You are starting wiring in a 45 degrees angle like this. That gives proper strength to the plant and we can bend them easily like this. See here, now this is the one. Yeah, now on the back side it is too long, you can cut it short. Just we have to lift this plant when we are placing in a pot, bonsai pot. Just we have to lift like this little bit and we have to put it in a angle like this, and this is the final shape of the bonsai plant. Now see here, like this is the final shape of the bonsai plant. When you are making a bonsai for the first time, you have to select the branches. First select the, study the main trunk line. First study the main trunk line and select the branches. You can move the plant this side and this side. See all the angles, which is better looking. Take that angle and lift to this right side or lift to the back side like this, and see the style of the plant, how it is properly, how it is looking beautiful in which angle. You take that angle and allow the plant to grow in that shape. Now then selection of the branches is also like that, and this first branch on the, if it may be on the right or left side, and if it is on the left side, second will be on the right side. If it is on the right side, second will be on the left side. Right, left and right, and on the back side. So rear side. This is the alternate system. Alternate branching system gives the plant a very beautiful look. Here you can ask, there two branches are there. Then this one we can remove it afterwards. Now if you remove this one, there is no crown here. This area will be empty. So for the time being, I kept it. I allow some more new branches to go along this line. I would like to have more branches here on this side, so that will be the alternate branch for this one. Then I can remove this one afterwards. See here the shape. Always when you are making a bonsai, it should be in the triangular shape. Triangular shape or pyramidal shape gives balance to the plant. Balance like this here. It gives a balance to the plant. That plant, when you are styling also, you have to think in a way. First branch should be the longer in length. Second will be little bit less. Third will be still more less in length, and back side little more longer than the second one. Like that you have to think and shape the branches, wire them and spread them in all three directions. I am telling in only three directions. If there are any branches on the front, cut down those branches. They are called as the eye poking branches. When they are in the front, they are called as the eye poking branches. Eye poking branches disturbs the trunk line curve. It disturbs the trunk line curve. It won't be it won't give a nice look to the plant. That's why you have to always remove that one, the eye poking branches, and keep this area will be empty. If some branches are there that are covering, then we will come in advanced stages. For the beginners, it is better to keep on the front line side empty and give a shape to the plant. Giving a shape to the plant with wiring or any clip and grow is the starting of bonsai. Now you can select a pot, maybe oval shaped pot or rectangular pot, and you can keep it in a bonsai soil, and you can make it into a bonsai. This is from the nursery plant. You will get a ready-made bonsai. See here, this is the final shape of the bonsai plant.